Hello guys, this is Professor Toliat from City University of New York. At this lecture, we're gonna learn how to visualize the data with Excel. So, what is the data visualization? It's a hot area that today all companies interested to this area. We want to bring our data set on the chart. How we can do this? Here we have a data set for that it is the grading roster for three quizzes that we had, three exams. So we have some extra data here that we can remove them. So how we can remove the column? By first you should select the columns that you want to delete and then right click and delete them. Now we want to visualize this area. So first select the area of cells that you want to visualize it, make a chart from that, and then in insert tab you should find the recommended chart. So here is a charts group that you can find. For example, you can make a bar chart or anything that you want. I want to find that what is Excel recommended me. So click on that, and here you go. This is the chart that uh, it recommended you. That, for example, for Amir, so here we have three exams for quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3 with different colors, three different colors for list of the students. Now let's do it ourselves. So it is provided by Excel, but always we are not lucky that Excel do it correct for us. So let's actually gather our data ourselves. How we can do it? So let's select the data ourselves. First of all, remove whatever uh, Excel made for you, and we want to create ourselves. Now we want to add a series, the new series that we want to add to our chart. So right now the chart uh, is empty, and right now we want to create a one series. For first series, I want to select this quiz 1. Quiz 1 has a value. What is the value? Value as a default it is given 1, but erase the 1 and give the value yourself, so that it is the grades for quiz 1, the grades that all the students got it. And then okay, so we created the first series. Then the second series, add another series names. The name is quiz 2, so select the quiz 2, and then yes, we created the second series, and we want to add the third series, so select the quiz 3, the name of that, and the value of that is all grades that the students got for this. Okay, so we created 3 grades, but here the name of them are 1 2 3 4. We want to change this. How we can change it? So here, access label range, they are the name of students. Here you go, the name of the students added here: Amir, Jose, Tamara, Nazanin, all names that we wanted to add as a label. Okay, it's ready. Our chart is ready. We need some extra thing that related to formatting of this chart. First of all, you will see that here, so the color that here we have, we can add something extra here. For example, axis titles, that each title has axis. For example, this one is grades. Okay, this one is, this axis is you should erase and then write your axis name. It is names. You can change the place of that because it's a text box, so you can change the place of this text box to here, then close this, and now see chart title. So that, what is the title of this chart? The chart title, for example, is the name of class, CSC 101 raster. Even you can change the type of the font like this. For example, you can say that I want to select the the type of the font, and for example the size, I want to make it bold. Okay, what other thing you can select? You can give the label that, so I don't like it for myself because it is so crowded. My chart is so crowded. I can look, so I want to make a chart that by one glance we can understand, okay, what is the greatest grade, for example, for quiz 1. You can find here Sarah got the greatest grade for the quiz 1. By glance, by first look, you can find the for example lowest grade or smallest grade here, and you don't need the label. Data table, you can add a table that you have both table and chart here, and other things. You can change the background of this, the color of that. You can change the, for example here I want to change, so right now it is bar, I want to change it to another one, for example 3D, 3 dimension chart. Here you go, it's a 3 dimension chart, but still it is bar. Or you can change it to the line like this, or it's a line chart. So whatever you want to do, you can do here. You can change the chart type, you can change the data that you want to visualize, and you can add, for example, extra information to that, to your chart. For example, this is the pie chart. Okay, so it was how you can create the data visualization with Excel, how you can do the data visualization by Excel, how you can create a chart. Okay, so you understood the most useful things about the Excel. Thanks for watching this video.